Hello guys, how to fix Explorer.exe class not registered error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix these issues, we will bring you various methods. And the first workaround is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Here you should execute the command in command prompt Windows. The path command will also available in my video description. You can copy from there. Copy this and paste in command prompt Windows and press enter to execute the command and check your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button, choose run command, and in run command box type dcomcnfg and press OK. Here component services windows will appear on your screen. Here click on component services, expand it, click on computers, select my computers, and from the right pane click on decom configuration and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. The next workaround is open Windows settings and from the left pane choose accounts and choose other sign-ins, other users, and click add. Login with other account may be resolve your issue. Enter your email and press next and follow on a screen instruction to use and add another user in Microsoft account. The next method is go to Windows search, type cp, open control panel, choose default programs, and here look for Microsoft Edge. Click search for Edge, click on it, Microsoft Edge, select it and press the button set defaults. Sometimes to set Microsoft Edge as default browser resolve your issue. The next method is again go to Windows search, type services, open services window, and here look for Internet Explorer ETW collector service. Right click on it and choose start option. Thereafter go to task manager, right click on start button, choose task manager. Here from the available tabs choose details and under details look for the option Explorer.exe. Select it and click on end task. This will end your Explorer.exe task and click on run new task and type here Explorer.exe and press OK to run Explorer.exe again. The next workaround is open any photos of your Windows system, open with Microsoft Photos. If Microsoft Photos is not available in context menu, go to the Microsoft browser and here Microsoft Store will open. Here you will find the option Microsoft Photos, install it, and next time open any JPG image with Microsoft Photos will resolve your issue. Explorer.exe class not registered. The next method is again open to Windows settings, click on apps and choose default apps. Scroll down. At the bottom of this default apps page you will find the option reset default apps. At the end reset all default apps, click on reset. If this method does not work, the next method is go to Windows search, type cmd, open command prompt Windows as administrator mode and here execute the command SFC scan now to check any corrupted file system that causes Explorer.exe class not registered error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Enter, type SFC scan now and press enter.